Hey, I'm Sharon Ct, and this summer I had the opportunity to do a video production workshop for 21 high schoolers at a summer camp. Now I had to travel light, so I only brought one camera, one wireless mic, and one light. I went on to Amazon and had shipped up a background and some props. The conference staff did a great job of providing some costumes, and we were good to go. The only problem is we only had a 2.5 hour window to accomplish all of this. The kids had to write the script based on an outline. They had to assign the roles, whether it was in front or behind the camera. They had to build the sets, they had to rehearse, and they had to shoot, all in a 2.5 hour window. So you're gonna see the 3 groups, each of which had 2-minute segments, 2-minute little short movies. We're gonna show the first 2, and then we're gonna show some cool behind the scenes footage of how this all went together, and then you'll see the 3rd. I was real proud of these kids. They did a great job. Let's take a look at the video.
Looking to make some extra cash?
We're good.
Yeah, I think we're set, thanks.
How about robbing a bank? That's crazy.
You're not serious.
Crazy.
Of course I'm serious. Look, just meet me at the club around 8. We'll talk more.
We're not gonna rob a bank.
Of course you would.
Why should we trust you?
Why should you trust me? Why shouldn't you? So you decide to take me up on my offer? Guess so. Well, we'll start today at 1 a.m. and I'll teach you the do's and don'ts in the car right there. What do you say?
Sure, but we brought some special friends. We want you to meet them.
The more the merrier.
LAPD.
Hands up.
Look.
Up against the wall.
Against the wall.
It's just a mistake, I swear.
We don't want to
These
hear
guys,
it.
they were here at a bar. They handed us a bag, you know, it was...
So, you guys want to make some extra money?
No.
We could rob a bank, though.
Rob a bank?
Why would she do that exactly?
You guys want this money?
How many years did you bully her?
Just meet us tonight at the Club The Rooster at 8 o'clock for more information. Oh, look who showed up.
Well, you wanted us to.
Ready to rob a bank?
All right, so here's the thing. We brought some friends with us. They'll help.
What type of friends?
Some really good ones.
Ha! Did you think we were dancers? It's NYPD! Up against the wall!
That's what they get for bullying you.
Yeah.
Quiet on set. 3, 2, 1, action.
Here's some of the behind the scenes footage in the building called the Cedars at the summer camp. No, we didn't go into a brick building and we weren't in a dance club. What you also don't see in this footage is how hot it was that day. It was 92 degrees and humid inside that building.
3, 2, 1, action. It's about time.
Here's the deal. On the next take, I want Julie or Erica as the DJ, right? Would that be cool? Yeah.
You're crazy.
You will notice that some of the campers that were not in the group that was filming were looking away from the set while things were going on. Now this is because they're watching the TV monitor across the room to see exactly what's being recorded.
I'm serious. Absolutely.
I thought I'd ship 2 of the graffiti backgrounds so we'd have a big enough backdrop for the dance club, but only one of the backgrounds arrived. So the kids and the staff worked hard at getting everything they could find around the cabin to expand that background. And I think their creativity paid off and actually probably looks better than it would if we just had the 2 backgrounds. Speed.
3, 2, 1.
Another way we wanted to give a visual reference that it was a dance club other than the music is to have dancers, but there wasn't enough room on the set physically, so at the last minute we improvised and added a disc jockey by getting props like the headphones, and the record is just a black piece of paper, and the gear is just a cloth over a cardboard box.
just go another day.
Yeah? Yeah. And then we're going to have our action in the middle, so that's going to create some depth.
I feel like the bad guy here.
What's that?
I feel like the bad guy.
You are the bad guy.
Now, I know people always get down on the younger generation, but I will have to say that these kids were great, well-behaved, and professional the whole time. I don't think I ever had to tell them to quiet down at all during the workshop. We all seemed to get along really well.
Quiet on set. 3, 2, 1, action.
Oh, I see you showed up.
What do you want?
We're going to play for you the third and final group's film now, and then after that I'll provide you information on the Silver Lake Summer Camp for those that are curious.
Hey guys, looking to make a little extra money?
No.
No, we're good.
How about robbing a bank?
You're crazy, right?
No, I'm serious.
Jeez.
Just don't listen to her.
Okay.
You know what? If you change your mind, meet me at Skipper's at 8.
Like we would.
It's about time. Are you in it or not?
We're in.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna be robbing the bank on the corner of 42nd and 43rd Street. You familiar?
Alright. Before that, we got some friends to help us out.
Okay, the more the merrier.
NYPD! Up against the wall!
I swear, I was just driving down a ditch that wasn't actually going to rob a bank.
The camp is called Silver Lake Conference Center in Sharon, Connecticut. And like many people, I was up there as a camper for years and then on staff for a few years and volunteered as a counselor and dean many a time. It's really such a great place with great people. It's owned and operated by the Connecticut Conference of the United Church of Christ, and they do week-long conferences in the summer, 4 or 5 groups at a time, divided by age group and theme, 4th grade through high school, and they even have family conferences too. If you need more information on the summer and other season programs at Silver Lake, you can go to silverlakect.org. Thanks for watching.